Hello student, today we will study topic simple past tense, past progressive tense, past perfect tense with examples. The simple form of the past tense is used to denote a single action completed in the past. For example, I arrived yesterday. Mary drove the car to the park. The simple past tense is also used to denote a habitual action in the past. Vani worked hard for many years. Monica always carried a bottle of water with her. Past progressive tense or past continuous tense is same. The progressive form of the past tense is used to denote an action as being in progress at some point of time in the past. The progressive form of the past tense is used to denote an action as being in progress at some point of time in the past. The time of action may or may not be indicated. It means action being in progress at some point of time in the past, and time of action may or may not be indicated. It means time is not mentioned. When their parents arrived, the children were reading a book. Maya was watching television when she heard the door open. Past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is usually used to denote an action completed at some point of time in the past before another action commenced. Again, I am telling, tense is usually used to denote an action completed at some point of time in past before another action commenced. Commenced means started. The simple past tense is used in one clause and the past perfect tense in other. The past perfect tense is formed by using had with the verb in the past tense. For example, Mohanlal had visited his village before he moved to another city. The roses had withered by the time I watered the plant. The guest had left when mother telephoned. Completed action past perfect tense. We use past perfect tense and the action completed, and subsequent action simple past tense. The train had stopped before we arrived at the station. It means the train had already came in at the station. So here is exercise. Underline the verbs in these sentences, then identify and write whether each sentence is in simple past, past progressive, or past perfect tense. He awoke when he heard thunder. Past. Aslam realized that his sister had left for the market with their father. Past and past perfect. I was waiting for you in the auditorium away from all the activity. Past progressive. Granny wore her favorite red sari to the wedding. Past. Anne had left the house when her sister telephoned. Past perfect. Tara had learned to skate by the time she was 8. Past perfect. She was watering the plants while I was mending the fence. Past progressive. Timothy was praised for his sincerity. Past. He politely rejected the proposal for the new shop. Past. The mother was comforting her child while the nurse was cleaning the wound. Past progressive. Next exercise, filling the blanks with the simple past or past progressive tense of the verb. I misunderstood what the tourist was asking me. When Santa Claus entered the class, the children were greeting him joyfully. The last time I saw Ashish, he was playing carom with his mother. The soldiers asked to leave for their training. When I met her last year, she was learning to play the guitar. Amrita was decorating the Christmas tree and gave everyone a surprise. Mohit was studying in his parents' room when the light went out. On my last birthday, I bought a tennis racket. When I reached the stadium, the player had already left. After she received the award, Samriti was shedding tears of joy. Filling the blanks with the simple past or past perfect tense of the verb in the boxes. The train had left when we reached the station. Maya had nursed the injured bird, but no one knew about it. The mechanic had repaired the bike before its owner arrived to collect it. Gautam had eaten all the biscuit before the other had any. When Asha opened the envelope, she noticed that the seal was broken. Someone had opened it before. It had started to drizzle when Anita left for home. Salim had written a letter before he left for Kolkata. Soma had completed only half the work when her mother returned home. Before Jaspreet realized it, the cat had run off with the ball of wool. The passengers had boarded the flight before it began to snow. Here this exercise ends. I hope you will learn it properly. Thank you.